In this video, we're going to talk about the legendary Snake game, where it came from, why it became a global obsession, and some amazing facts you probably didn't know. And at the end, we'll show you how you can create your own Snake game within seconds. From retro arcade roots to your smartphone screen, Snake's journey is as iconic as it is addictive. Let's dive in. Part 1. The origins of the Snake game. Snake wasn't born on a Nokia. It all started in 1976 with an arcade game called Blockade, created by Gremlin Industries. The idea was simple, but it sparked a genre. But the explosion came in 1997 when Finnish engineer Taneli Armanto added Snake to the Nokia 6110. It was smooth, pixelated, and instantly addictive. No Wi-Fi, no updates, just you, your thumb, and a hungry snake chasing dots. Part 2. Snake game stats and global impact. By the early 2000s, Snake had been pre-installed on more than 400 million Nokia phones. That's more than the entire population of the US today. People played it everywhere, on buses, in classrooms, at airports. The gameplay was easy to learn, but hard to master. The longer your Snake got, the harder it was to avoid crashing into yourself. The highest score you could reach in the original version? 203 points. That's when the Snake fills the screen entirely without touching the edges. Part 3. Fun facts you never knew. Think Snake is just a simple game? Think again. It's often the first project beginner coders build in Python or JavaScript. Google even added a playable version of Snake to its search page, and millions still play it. AI researchers use Snake to train bots in reinforcement learning. And today, you can find versions in 3D, multiplayer, and even in augmented reality. Snake didn't disappear, it evolved. Part 4. Why we still love Snake. In an age of high-end graphics and online multiplayer, why does Snake still resonate? Because it's pure. No ads, no microtransactions, no Wi-Fi, just reflexes, focus, and that urge to beat your last score. It's gaming in its rawest, most timeless form. Eat, survive, repeat. Part 5. Build your own Snake game using Canva AI. Now that you know the story, it's time to make your own. Building your own Snake game has never been easier, thanks to Canva AI. Here's all you need to do. Go to Canva AI, click on the prompts section, and simply type, "Create a simple and classic Snake game for me." That's it. With just one prompt, your game is ready. Canva AI automatically writes the code, shows the game interface, and lets you play it in real time, right inside Canva. No coding skills required. No setup, just instant gameplay. It's fast, fun, and fully customizable. We've added the exact prompt and a ready-to-use template in the description below, so you can try it right now. From brick phones in the 90s, and now to your custom-built game today, Snake has stood the test of time. What's your highest Snake score? Did you build your version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stories, tech tips, and nostalgic throwbacks. Thanks for watching.